In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get on Outlook. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. You might see icons for browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge on your desktop or in your taskbar. Click on one of these icons to launch the browser. Once it opens, you'll be greeted with a blank search page or your home page depending on your settings. This is where you will enter your search query. Now in the search bar, type Outlook and press the Enter key or click on the search icon. This action is essential because it directs you to the online platform where you can manage your emails and calendar seamlessly. Now that you've searched for Outlook, your screen will display a list of search results. Look through the results carefully. You want to find the official Microsoft Outlook link. This is usually the first result and will have a URL that includes Outlook.com. Click on that link to proceed. Selecting the correct link is crucial because it ensures you are accessing the official site, which protects your information. If you click on a different link, you might end up on a third-party site that could pose security risks. Next up, once the Outlook page loads, locate the Sign In button. This button is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to move forward. By clicking Sign In, you're initiating the process to access your Outlook account. This is an important step because it leads you to the login page where you can securely enter your credentials. You will notice a change in the interface, guiding you to provide your account details. After that, you will be prompted to enter your email address, phone number, or Skype ID. Type in the information you use for your Outlook account and then click the Next button. This step matters because it identifies your account and begins the authentication process. Be sure to enter the correct information to avoid any delays. If you make a mistake, you can easily go back and correct it. At this point, the screen will prompt you to type in your password. Carefully enter your password, ensuring accuracy, and then click on the Next button again. This is a vital part of accessing your account because it verifies that you are indeed the owner of the account. Take your time here. If you enter the wrong password, you may be locked out temporarily. Remember, your password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access, so keep it secure and private. Once you have successfully entered your password and clicked Next, you should be taken to your Outlook inbox. Here you will see all your emails, calendar events, and other features available to you. Congratulations, you've successfully logged into Outlook. This step is rewarding because it connects you to your important communications and productivity tools. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features available, as this will enhance your experience moving forward. That wraps up our guide on how to get on Outlook. Following these steps ensures a smooth login process. Remember, if you encounter any issues, you can always revisit each step to confirm everything is entered correctly. Happy emailing!